Hey guys, Steve Zanardi here with Trevisa Realty. It is July 7th. On the Friday, we're going to go over the drone footage of Verdana Village. This was shot last week when I got back into Florida. So let's have a look. Good thing is the facility is really ahead, to be honest. Like grand opening is going to be July 15th, which is my birthday. You know, fitting that I love this community and they're going to open up the amenities right on my birthday, which is awesome. So everything is complete on the exterior for sure. The interior is all done. There's actually staff preparing the cafe every day. They're setting it up with drinks. They're getting a menu ready, so they're rocking and rolling there, which is great. I bug them at least 3 or 4 days a week. I beg them to get into the facility, but there's no crack on that, man, let me tell you. But here it is. Let's go. I have to bribe them, maybe. Looking nice. Clearly, our commercial sector is going well too. Um, all these exterior buildings. I think there's one more here that's going to get built, but they're all getting built up nice, and there's one more here. But this is flying for sure. So our commercial sector will be up and running before we know it. We were out there on the 4th, which was awesome in Verdana Village. The neighbors had an amazing fireworks show. Like, kudos to them. I wish we knew we could have contributed money. I don't go on Facebook. I know we have stuff on Facebook, but I never go on it. I don't even know my password. So every time we post on Instagram, it goes to Facebook. I wish someone would have messaged me, would have donated money to. But it's good. Great show. We're going to be hosting a webinar too on July 13th regarding all Verdana Village. Yeah, we want to basically educate our clients before coming out. We just did a deal yesterday. We sold the largest home in the community, which is awesome. Very proud of that. So we have an Upton coming to Verdana Village, which is awesome. They have only one getting built in Ave Maria, so actually went to go see it in the framing stages, kind of get an idea of proportions of rooms and how the home felt, it's nice, really big house, cool because it's got the primary bedroom on the main floor, which is awesome. Um, Make myself smaller here. Yes, so I mean, if you haven't seen it lately, this is how it looks. So, temporary fence is up. They're going to be building that additional building here. Obviously, the breezeway to walk between the cafe and the restaurant. But it's looking sweet. The interior is all done. Like I said, there's one gentleman there that's preparing the dishes and all. This day was hot as hell. Like humidity was just crazy. The drone overheated, phone overheated. Car was good though. Car went well. Bocce courts are complete. Is that a green, white, and red? Yeah. I don't think that was done intentionally, but it is a very Italian game, bocce. Yes, there it is. Here's the Grand Verdana. Hammock, eventually. We were out here and I hit one of these buttons over here. I thought it was going to activate the spa. It activated an alarm and I couldn't shut the bloody thing off. So just pretend you never touched it. Just drop it like it's hot. Yeah, looking really sweet though. Day beds are all in, the swim up day beds. These chairs are going to be in the sun shelf, so they're just temporarily outside here until I guess this is all clean and ready to go. But really nice. The bubblers. Or actually, those are those sprinkler heads. They're darting water um, into the water, into the pool. Spa's all complete. Looking sweet. Love it. I mean, the place of the corkscrew definitely has a superior pool to anybody like that retreat style, resort style. But again, this is damn nice too, no doubt. I like this. Very, I don't know, what do you call this? I guess that word is going to keep coming up. Coastal contemporary, very like chic, very clean lines, nice. Not too busy. I think we shoot straight up now to kind of give you the definition of the overall pool. This is all dirty in there still. I have to run the vacuum, I guess. Supposedly you got to run a pool 30 days, I found out. You got to keep continuously running it and cleaning it. So I think that's what they're doing. Hasn't been running that long. It's been 2 weeks. So grand opening is July 15th on my birthday, like I said. And then July 16th, the facility will be open. Do I have any other footage here? I might have some footage for other clients. Let's see if we got anything else. We tried to make it down Napa Loop. I always have requests. The thing is that for some reason, it was smoggy this day, and the reception wasn't too good. So from the amenity center, it was shutting down shortly after we got down to Napa. This is our house. Yeah, looking good. They got all the kitchen in this week, which is great. It's a flooring kitchen. The millwork's getting complete. All the exteriors painted. Yeah, really cool house. Wish this was a different material, but it's good. It has 2 definitions, but it's all good. I think we lose connection here. So this is the house. I was happy we made it this far. Usually these need to be fixed. Need to be straightened out. I think we lose connection here. Yeah, we do. I know there's a few requests down here. I couldn't get it down there. I apologize. I tried. I think this was the attempt. I made it to about here, then it started. Yeah, I lose connection right here. See, it kind of doesn't know what to do, and then it sends it home. I guess you get an idea here. Your roof's up, your membrane's on too. It's ready for a tile. The tile's going to be a pain, as we all know. Oh, that's it, friends. So that's it. We'll see you guys all at the grand opening on July 15th. Come say hi if we want to have a chat. That'd be great. Have an amazing day. Ciao.